So today I thought about making a recipe for you guys. This is more of a Mexican type of salad. Um, I'm going to be making ensalada de papa for tostadas. It has chicken breast, peas, and the Mexican cream, mayonnaise, and then potatoes and carrots. I'm already cooking the carrots. So before we even begin, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to go subscribe, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. This is a really easy recipe. Like always, I want to show you guys really easy recipes to make for you guys. And yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoy. I know you guys enjoyed these videos from me. So right now I'm going to start cooking so I have the chicken down here. I have chicken breast. So they're still kind of pretty frozen. So I was just going to grab a pan, and you want to fill it up like pretty much all the way to the top. And then I was going to put the chicken inside the water. I ended up using like 3 chicken breasts. Okay, so I have the water cooking down there. You want to cut the chicken breast in half. And be careful when using the knife. You don't want to, cut yourself. Start putting this in the pan. So I only have 2 chicken breasts there. I think I want to do like 1 more. You might want to add just a tiny bit more water to it. Okay, so the potatoes are over there, but I have the chicken cooking down there. So I'm just going to let this cook, guys, for it's 5:50 right now, so I would say like around 6:30, maybe around there. This should be ready, and the potatoes are probably almost ready too. Yeah, those are the potatoes. So I'm going to let that cook for a while, guys, and then I'll come back and show you guys the other stuff. The important thing is that before you put all the ingredients on the salad, you have to let the chicken and the potatoes cool down, because if not, the mayonnaise is going to turn too yellowish. So yeah, I hope you guys understand the recipe. I will put down in the description box the recipe for you guys, so you guys, if you guys want to try and do this at home, you guys can go to the store and go get the stuff that you guys will need. Everyone probably does it differently, but this is how we make it. So yeah, I'll be back here once the chicken breast and the potatoes are all done, and then we'll go. It's about almost an hour later. I'm going to start peeling the potatoes. So here are las papas y zanahorias. So I need to start peeling them so they start cooling down before I start shredding the chicken, para que así se enfríen y todo esto esté más rápido. So I have a plate right here. And I'm sorry if the camera gets out of focus. But let me... going to turn the camera more down para que puedan ver. There's nothing to it that you guys cannot do with peeling the potatoes besides them being hot. The chicken is still cooking. Todavía le falta like maybe another 10-15 minutes. I think because como estaban congeladas, they were frozen. It takes a little bit more. So yeah, so I really like doing this, but I mean, for me it is kind of tiring. I wasn't feeling too good this day, but it's really yummy, guys, and I mean, it's easy to make. In like 3 hours, you'll have, some food on the table. But yeah, usually my mom is the one that makes it, but I've done it before and I was already hungry, so I just wanted the food to be ready. But yeah, I was just peeling the papas, the potatoes, and my mom helped me peel the carrots because for me that's the hardest part, is peeling the carrots. My mom always forgets I am recording. Estoy grabando. See, I can never record a video without an interruption by my beautiful mom. But anyways, I was just cutting the potatoes. They were already like cooled down. But yeah, there's, like I said, there's not much to it besides cutting the potatoes and the zanahorias. So yeah, I was just doing that. Guys, okay, ya casi acabamos. We are almost done with this. I just need to put all the stuff in it. I have the shredded chicken right here. And then ya estoy escurriendo los sweet peas, los chícharos. I got the Winkle brand one. And the crema that I'll be adding to it is this one, the crema mexicana. This is the crema I use, and then this is the mayonnaise I'll be using. So yeah, and then you just have to add salt to it. So let me show you guys while mixing everything up. Okay, so I have las papas y las zanahorias here. And I think this is a lot of chicken, but I'm going to add most of it. So yeah, so what time did I start? I started like around 5:50 and it's like 7:47. So yeah, this takes what? It took me like probably almost 3 hours, I would say. But yeah, this is, a lot of people make this like for cumpleaños, like birthday parties, or yeah, mainly like birthday parties, or just for any lunch or dinner that you might want to have with your family. Yes, or you can eat it by itself if you want. But like eating it in a tostada, and then I put Valentina or Tapatio in it. So let me grab this spoon and start kind of mixing everything up. Let me add the chicharos. Some people add corn to it. Okay. Let's grab la crema now. Okay, so let's add la crema. And then let's add some mayonnaise to it. Now let's start mixing this. Now add some salt to it. And I mean, si queda desabrido, it's okay, because it's better if people wanna add more salt to it, then they can. Let me add just a tiny bit more chicken. Dark. Okay, so here is la ensalada. And these are the tostadas that I'll be using. much cream to it, but it's okay. Then you add la Valentina. And okay, so there you guys go. There's the tostadas, how to make some ensalada de papa con pollo for tostadas. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this recipe cooking with me video. Like I said in another video that I'll be posting, leave me down any other stuff that you guys would love me to cook for you guys, and I will buy the ingredients and show you guys and learn with you guys at the same time if I have never made it before. But yeah, ojalá que les haya gustado esta ensalada de papa con pollo, con pechuga. No se les olvide suscribirse y darle un dedito para arriba a mi video. Y ya, los quiero mucho. I love you guys, and I will talk to you guys soon.